to be here. The crowd are on their feet. They're roaring him on. Is it his fourth world record of the year? Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Cometh the hour. Cometh the Swede. The whole place is in raptures. He's held us all in the palm of his hand, and he's delivered the knockout blow again. Even his dad is on the verge of tears this time. Just when you think he can't get any better, he does. We will never forget the night that Mondo Duplantis.
My goodness. You know, there are some athletes who are just simply a cut above their peers, and that man, Mondo Duplantis, is one of them. He scaled 6.30 meters to win the pole vault gold medal, his third World Outdoor Championship gold medal, and breaking his own world record. At one stage, in the early stages of the competition, Bruce, he was lying in 6th place, and in one vault, he surged from 6th up to 1st, and went beyond recall.
10th of November, 1999. That's when he was born. And since then, if we look at the top list of pole vaults ever in history, the top 14 are all Armand Duplantis of Sweden. That is unprecedented in any other event. If you look at the top races in the 100, Bolt has the top 2, 9:58 and 9:63. That's his top 2 in the 100. In the 200, Bolt has just the top 1, 1919. After that, there's Johan Blake. I'm just using that as perspective. When you look at the pole vault, Armand Duplantis, Mondo, 14 performances before you get to the second best pole vaulter in history. And he was only born in 1999. He's not even 26 years old yet. Now you say, oh, choice pole vault, it's easy. He gets to set what he wants. Well, it's not that easy. His old world record set just last month was 6.29 meters. He moved it up 1 centimeter. On the first attempt, fail. Second attempt, fail. It's not easy. On the third attempt, which is what we just saw, another world record, 6:30. He didn't come here to get the gold medal in the World Championships. He already had that in his pocket. He came for the world record, and it took him 3 great attempts to get it.
Absolutely stupendous.